Hello YouTube, it is a beautiful day. I know it's not really beautiful, it's horrible and raining. But I woke up this morning to this. 500 subscribers. I can't even believe it. This would not be possible without the amazing support in the community. All those times you guys shared my live streams and my posts and my videos and told me what they meant to you gives me strength. It gives me motivation. It encourages my creativity, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate it every single day. So I wanted to drop this really quick video to say thank you guys. But of course, we're gonna be able to celebrate for an entire hour on the best hour of my day in 1 hour. Please stop by, it's gonna be fun. It is a 1 hour celebration of you guys, the community, who have given me so much. Thanks again, and I'll see you in an hour for the best hour of my day.